Hi, I'm Adam Madish from Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California. We're just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, saws, and much more. Today we're going to show you a nice little horizontal bandsaw. This is a swivel head bandsaw. It's a manual bandsaw. So to go ahead and start the saw, you're going to lift the head manually. It will automatically come down with a hydraulic cylinder to allow it to fall slowly. Here's the adjustment for the cylinder. This is also a swivel head saw, so once you loosen your tighten there, you go ahead and you change any of the degrees you want and swivel the saw for any cut you need. So once you're ready to go, just tighten it on, hit start. We already have it set up. It's in the feed mode. Here you can see it raising or slowing. You can increase or decrease the feed rate depending on what material you're using, what blades you have, if you have coolant running, of course. And once it completes the stroke, you can see it turns it off. We'll go ahead and show you one more time here. Show you how we can increase the speed. It's got a really nice little controller here, little pedometer to change the blade speed. I turn this very slowly to let everything catch up. There's the maximum speed. You can see the emergency stop works. If you're interested in this saw or any other saw, new or used, we carry them all. 626-444-0311. Or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.